Air Fryer Recipes 101. You probably were wondering what happened to me. Well, I'll tell you in a minute. But look! Ta-da! And now there were two. That's right. Unlike the Agatha Christie mystery, now there were none. Well, now there are two. So anyway, I just started this new air fryer channel not too long ago. You may have come over from my main channel, The Baking Diva, but I am so in love with air frying that I wanted to do an air frying channel, 101. For those that are new at air frying, maybe they just got an air fryer, maybe they want to get an air fryer. Where have you been, Dee? Well, my name is Dolores, but my friends call me Dee. You can call me anything you want. But anyway, it's been a tough month. The holidays, and then so many of my family members got COVID. It's just not been good. Luckily, I'm okay, but my daughter's pretty sick now with it. And I just didn't want you to think I forgot about you. So, what did I get for Christmas? Well, this is my baby, my Ninja air fryer. What did the hubby? There's my bird chirping, sorry. She hears me talking and she likes to talk. But what did my hubby get me for Christmas? The dual basket air fryer. So people said to me, well, what are you going to do with this baby? You going to sell it? No, I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to use both of them. Of course I am. Now, did he get me a new one because I don't like this one? Absolutely not. I love this air fryer. I hope you can see this. Let me move this over for a minute. But this air fryer has the one basket in it with the crisping tray. And I love it. But when it's just me or my husband, or me and my husband and my son, this one's good. But when the two grandchildren are here, and it's the 5 of us, it's tough. You kind of have to do it in a couple of batches. But I absolutely love this and will not give it up. Ninja is one of my favorite brands. And no, the Ninja people don't know me at all. I just love Ninja. So I'm going to move this aside, show you a little bit of the difference. I'm going to tilt this so I hope you can see it. It's hard for me to do it back here. Let me move over a little bit. The reason I love this is because this has 2 baskets. You see that? With crisping trays in them. And what is so good about this is, first of all, you can cook more food. Say you're cooking chicken. You can put it in this basket, and then you can put some in this basket. And you're cooking double the amount. But what I really love about it is you can cook 2 different things. Say you want to put chicken in this basket, and you want to put asparagus in this basket. Well, you can do that too. And you don't have to wait till your chicken is done in here and then go back in and cook your vegetables. You can do them both in here. And what is great, let me try to show you here. In fact, I'm going to push this over and get around the other side. That might work out better for me. You don't need to see me anyway. You just need to see the air fryer. This air fryer has on it, over here it says air fry, roast, preheat, defrost, and bake. So over here for the air broil, can you see me? Woo! For the air broil, that's more if you've already air fried something or cooked something and maybe you just want to melt the cheese on top or, you know, broil a little bit on the top. And then over here is the air fry, which is the one that I use most of the time, the air fry. And then over here is roast, and that is just like your regular oven. You can put a roast in here, and you can put it on whatever, 350 for X amount of minutes, and you can cook your roast in here. Now over here, I have to stand, is reheat. That's if you want to reheat leftovers. And over here, you can dehydrate, and you can bake. Yes, I can bake in this air fryer. Actually, I think of the air fryers, they're like a confection oven. In fact, we had a toaster oven and it went out the door because there's no need for it. Since I got my air fryers, I hardly ever use my oven. But what I love about this is this has a, I guess you could call it, it's called a smart finish. Doesn't mean the finish of the air fryer. It means a smart finish. Like you can program this and you can have, let's say, I don't know, your pork chops over here in this one, and they might take a certain temperature and a certain time to cook. And then in this basket, maybe you want to put fries or a vegetable that don't take as long. And maybe they're on a different temperature. And you can program this baby so that they both finish at the same time. That's why they call this a smart finish. And over here, there's basket 1. And over here, by the 2, it's basket 2. And there's a button here that says match cook. That's if you want to put the same thing in each basket that finishes at the same time. And then you would press the 1 basket and the 2 basket, and you'd hit match cook, and they both cook at the same temperature and finish at the same time. Now, the other Ninja has a round basket. These have more of a, you can see, a rectangular basket. So depending on what you're putting in here, let's assume you have big hamburgers. You might only be able to fit 2 in there. Maybe if you have your boneless pork chops, depending on the size of them, you might be able to put 3 or 4 in here. So one thing about the air fryers, their baskets are not super large. I had one previous to this baby that I didn't like at all. It was the combination slow cooker, air fryer, I don't know what else, and it just didn't cook right. Like if it cooked the air frying food good, it didn't cook my slow cooking food good. Like one worked better than the other. So I still have a slow cooker, which I love, but I will use these for most of my cooking. What else did I want to tell you? So anyway, you can do an awfully lot on here. Main thing is you can cook these both, same temperature, same time. You can fit more in here because you have 2 baskets. Or you can put different foods in each basket, program them. It's very easy. You get a manual with this. You program them, and they both finish at the same time. I'll turn this around. There's a little sticker over here on the side of the air fryer, and it says Smart Finish Mode. I have to turn it around so I can see it, but there's little pictures on there. There's a picture of a fish, and it tells you the fish is 400 degrees at 13 to 17 minutes. And there is, what else here? There's string beans. There's a chicken, pluck, pluck, a little chicken over there. There's a piece of steak. I don't know. But anyway, there's a few things on here. And what it says is 2 different foods, 3 different ways, or excuse me, 2 different foods, 2 different ways, and finished at the same time. So I absolutely love this. And no, this one's not going anywhere. I'm keeping them both. One day I had one on that counter, this one on the other counter, and I was multitasking, running back and forth, running back and forth, because I could cook more food at once. There's very, very little mess with these air fryers. You can put the baskets and the crispers in the dishwasher, or you can wash them by hand with a little soap and water. So you eliminate a lot of the mess. Right now, I'm in New Jersey and it's freezing, but in the summertime when it's hot, you don't want to put your oven on and preheat your oven, use the air fryers. I think they're wonderful. They have a fan in the back. Let me turn this baby around. It's heavy. I don't know what it weighs. I'm going to guess 15, 16 pounds. You see the little fans on the back? You just pull that away from your countertop a little bit when you're air frying, And oopsie, it really doesn't take up much more room than my toaster oven did. And you can toast in here. You can make hard-boiled eggs in here. You can bake in here. You can do just about anything in here. To me, it's just another form of a convection oven. It really is. Like I said, you will get a nice manual with it. We'll tell you all the things you can do. Trust me, I'm not really a computer scientist. My family will tell you that, but it's very easy to operate. And if I can do it, you can do it. And if you have any other questions, I didn't want to demonstrate food in it today because I want to do that individually. There are so many things you can make in this air fryer, from frozen foods that you pick up in the store. It's fantastic for French fries, hamburgers. I mean, I have done so many things in here. I made deep fried Oreos, and you can make your biscuits in here. Everything comes out really good. For my round one, I did pick up on Amazon parchment round papers that you can put in there. Even though you don't have a lot of mess with the air fryer, you have less mess if you use those papers. Now, this I just got for Christmas, so I haven't investigated to see if they have papers this size, but I'm pretty sure they do. Last time I looked, they had rows of all the different parchment papers in all the different sizes. So I just wanted to let you know that, let me move over here. I just wanted to let you know that now there are two. And baby, I will be using both of them. And starting probably this week sometime or this weekend, I'll be making something in there for you because that's the idea of this channel. Air Fryer Recipes 101. So you don't have to say, oh, I got an air fryer, but I don't know what to do with it, or oh, it's sitting on the shelf and I'm afraid to use it. Or the big question is, can I make this in an air fryer? Can I make that in an air fryer? Well, I'm going to show you what you can make in an air fryer, and trust me, it's almost everything. So anyway, if you haven't already subscribed to this Air Fryer Recipes 101 channel, go down and hit the red subscribe, that little gray bell next to it till it says all. That's it. And when I do start putting my air fryer recipes up, you'll get a notification and you won't miss them. And I'll also put in the description box the link to my other channel, The Baking Diva. If you haven't subscribed to that, feel free and come visit me over there. So for now, both these babies and moi will be seeing you very soon. Have a great weekend, stay well, and for now, I say love you all. Toodaloo!